Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm going to show you how I make the Shea Hibiscus hair butter. It's so moisturizing on your hair, on your scalp, and it's a great alternative for anyone that does not want to use the Shea hair butter. Shea sometimes can be itchy on the scalp, so this is a great alternative. I'm going to show you exactly how I make this butter, so let's jump right in. I'm going to be using some dried hibiscus flowers, and I'm going to be infusing this with some oil. I used some avocado oil, and I did my infusion on my stovetop for a few hours. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you are welcome. My name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I have a bunch of other DIY videos that you would also enjoy watching. I will also link some other videos showing how I infuse my oils. I will leave that in the description box. Now that we have the hibiscus infused oil, we're going to move on to the next step. Please feel free to make substitutions, adjustments that work best for you. I love castor oil. It's great for your scalp, for the hair, especially dry hair, and olive oil is super moisturizing for the hair. So this is what everything is looking like. I'm going to just cover this up and set it aside. For my water phase, I have distilled water, aloe vera juice, and some vegetable glycerin. Now that you have your water phase ready, you want to take note of the weight of your jar and that liquid combined. So I'm weighing everything. I'm weighing my liquid container, and I'm taking note of that weight, because when I heat up my water and my oils, I am going to lose some water weight. So this is an extra jar that I filled with distilled water. So I'm going to heat up all three containers together. I'm going to heat up my oil phase, my water phase, and my extra container of distilled water. After 20 minutes, everything was already heated up. I checked the weight of my liquid container and I made adjustments. I added some more distilled water and I checked the temperature one last time to make sure it was 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and I added my liquids to my oils. This is the best part of this whole process, and I used my stick blender. You can also use a whisk if you have one, and you want to pulse this. You want to be very careful because it is hot. So I did this for about 2 minutes. You really want to take your time and do this so that way the oils and the water, everything can mix very well together, so that way you don't have any separation. I set this to cool for some time, about 15 minutes. I wanted this to cool off before I added my preservative. I'm just checking the temperature one more time. I'm going to be using a liquid Gemo Plus preservative. That's what I use most of the time, and it is heat sensitive. You don't want to add this when your mixture is very hot. So I added my preservative. You will need one because you are using water in this recipe. So I just stick blended for a few more seconds so that everything could be well blended. The next day, the mixture had thickened up nicely. It was creamy, it was fluffy, and the best part is this hair butter is so lightweight, it's not greasy, and it's not going to weigh your hair down in any way. And you can moisturize your hair and scalp with this. It's so lightweight and it's going to absorb quickly into your hair. Hibiscus is able to prevent hair loss and balance the pH of your scalp and also stimulate hair growth. So I hope you try this recipe out. It has so many great benefits for your hair. And I'm just going to transfer this into my containers. I had a 4-ounce jar and a 14-ounce glass container. So this made 18 ounces of hair butter. There are several ways you can use this hair butter, but I'm going to show you how I use it on my hair when I do my 2-strand twist. But do you see how amazing this looks on the skin? It absorbs so quickly with no greasy residue at all. But I'm going to show you on my hair how I use this. So I really hope you try this out though. Let me know if you have any questions about this recipe. Let me know in the comments. Reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions if I know the answer. So I just sprayed my hair with some liquid and I put a small amount, combed through and did my twist, and then I left it overnight. And then I took out my twist and my hair was so hydrated, so moisturized, and I loved how soft it was. If you enjoyed this video, please go on and like this video. Please go on and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And also follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. And until the next video, be well and take care. Bye bye.